What if your best salesperson is quietly placing a lid on your store's production and you don't even see it happening? That rep is doing 20 plus units and making six figures. Now you celebrate them every month and you should, but your other reps are watching. What they see is not inspiration, it's a finish line. And the moment 20 units becomes the finish line, nobody runs past it. See, your star rep just became your ceiling. Now, I've spent decades coaching leadership teams and I see it everywhere. Managers rewarding stagnation and calling it success. A players who are bored, B players who are lost, and C players who are not lazy, they're just uncoached. See, spiffs don't fix that, nor does paying tens of thousands of dollars for more leads. A system does. So join me to discover the 20 to 40 growth blueprint, a proven system to build a culture of continuously adding one unit a month to every sales rep to lift the lid and unleash potential, all by developing 6 daily habits, perfecting 4 prospecting strategies, and extreme accountability that sticks, giving every sales rep a clear path forward to the goals they never realized were possible. Now you have a choice to make. Not do another session and keep the same results you have right now, or lift the lid at your store.